Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make cake mix sprinkle donuts.
Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, you're going to need 1 box of a white cake mix, any kind that you like, 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 3/4 cup of milk, and then for your frosting, I just bought fluffy white whipped frosting, and I'm going to melt that in the microwave and pour it over my donuts. But you could also make a glaze with a tablespoon of unsalted butter, melted, 1½ cups of powdered sugar, and 3 tablespoons of milk. And then we're going to top it off with some cute rainbow sprinkles. And you could use a regular donut pan, but I'm using the mini muffin pan. So I went ahead and sprayed that with cooking spray, and my oven is already preheated to 350. All right, now in this large bowl, I have my dry cake mix, my egg, my vegetable oil, and my milk. And I'm just going to beat that with an electric mixer until it is combined. All right, that looks very combined to me, and it will be a lot thicker than cake batter. As you can see, it's pretty thick. But we are going to go ahead and get that into a Ziploc bag and pipe it into my donut pan. All right, my first batch of mini donuts is ready to go into the oven. I am going to add a little sprinkles to mine because I just think that will be really cute. But since I'm doing the mini donuts, I'm going to bake mine at 350 for 6 to 7 minutes. If you're doing regular size, you want to up that time 12 to 14 minutes. Okay, my first batch of donuts is out of the oven and they smell amazing. So we are just going to let them cool off right here for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to move them to a cooling rack and get my second batch in there. All right, after all my donuts were cooled, I did just melt about not even half of my frosting in the microwave for about 20 seconds in this bowl. And then I just took them, half of them. I'm not sure if I'm going to do all of them. But so you have this pretty side. So I just dipped this side down in the frosting. Dip, dip, dip. And then just bring it up. Lay it on something, and then immediately you want to put your sprinkles on there. So I can't wait to see what Taste Tester thinks. These look so cute. All right, my donuts are all ready to go. I can't wait to see what Taste Tester thinks when he gets home. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dang, from all that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Bye. Bye.